I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right materials and the first move. Pick a firm rubber or kneaded eraser and a thin card, then place a small coin hidden under the eraser. Once done, arrange a clean flat surface and set your hands so the coin stays concealed at a shallow angle. Practice the initial false press. Push the eraser forward while subtly sliding the card back. This creates the illusion of erasing while moving the coin into view. Make sure to rehearse the timing slowly. You now perform the complex middle. Hold the eraser with thumb and middle finger, index finger managing the tilt. As you press as if erasing, slide the card back 1 to 2 centimeters so the coin shifts beneath the eraser out of sight. Once done, add misdirection, look at the audience, or make a casual hand gesture to the right, and complete the wipe stroke. This blend of controlled slide and eye contact sells the vanish. Practice until the motion is smooth and consistent. You finish by delivering a clean reveal and reset. To show the coin, pivot the eraser slightly and allow the exposed edge to slide back, revealing the object slowly for maximum effect. Once done, close with a casual gesture and immediately display the card empty to prove nothing was hidden. If the coin catches, use a subtle fingertip flick beneath the card to free it and repeat the pivot. Make sure to reset the coin under the eraser edge precisely for the next performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.